2nd of October 2019. It is supposed to be autumn slash fall, but fall and autumn have been cancelled this year. We are expecting temperatures of 91 plus Fahrenheit. That's around 33 degrees centigrade. It's going to be hot. This is about 0900 in the morning. I'm going to Portman Road to have breakfast because I looked in my refrigerator and found that the cupboard was bare. I really need to go shopping. So this is just a short video showing off my clown skull face shield and LS2 Valiant Modular helmet, and riding slowly towards Firehouse Coffee. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day, toodle pip, and carry on riding.